Good morning, class 7. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 11, that is transportation in animals and plants. In the last video lecture, we had discussed that all the organisms need food, water, and several other things to survive. And to carry these things into the different parts of the body, there is a liquid. In animals, there is a liquid called blood. Mostly, we discuss about the human blood. In us, there is a liquid which carry these things into our different parts of the body, that is blood. And there are red blood cells, there are white blood cells, and there are platelets in the blood. Now today we will discuss about the structures which carry blood or which allow blood to flow or to move from one place to another place. These structures are called blood vessels. These structures are called blood vessels. You can take the example of different types of pipes present in your house which allow you to carry water from the tank to the different taps and also to remove the wastewater from your bathroom to the tank, that is the tank where you submit the wastewater or to the drain. So here in our body also there are several type of vessels or pipes through which blood flows. So these blood vessels are mainly differentiated into two types, arteries and veins. There is a third type also, that is called blood capillaries, but mainly artery and veins. So the arteries are the very thick walled structures and it carries blood from heart to the different parts of the body. And as it carries blood from the heart to the different part of the bodies, the blood flows with a pressure, and to maintain that pressure the arteries are thick walled and they always carry oxygenated blood and these arteries are you can say that you can consider it like these arteries are the main pipe of our body to carry oxygenated blood from heart to the different parts of the body. Now comes the situation of the arteries. So arteries are mainly situated in the depth of our body. Now comes the next type of structure, that is called veins. So veins always carry deoxygenated blood. But there is an exception, that is pulmonary vein. Remember class, pulmonary vein always carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Now these veins carry blood from different parts of the body to the heart. So there is a very less amount of pressure, so the walls are thin. They don't have to bear the pressure, so walls are thinned, and there are valves which allow the flow of blood only in one direction, means always towards heart. So these are the structure of veins. So remember class, veins situated on the surface of the body. Veins situated on the surface areas of the body, and it carries deoxygenated blood towards the heart, and from the heart this deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is removed from the lungs, and the blood will again get oxygen, and through the pulmonary vein it will again come back to the heart. So these are the main function of blood vessels, that is artery and veins. There is an activity given here. The activity is, take these two finger, middle finger and index finger. This is index finger, this is middle finger, and place these fingers here in the inner side of the left wrist, and try to feel the movement of the artery over here. So when you put your fingers here, you will feel a throbbing movement, means something is, a liquid is always flowing. So this is called pulse, and and this will happen because of the flow of blood through the arteries. So if you count the numbers of pulses for 1 minute, this is called the pulse rate. This is called the pulse rate. The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. So you can compare your pulse rate with your friend or with your family members. And remember class, in normal condition our pulse rates is 72 to 80 beats per minute. 72 to 80 beats per minute. Now comes the third type of blood vessels, that is capillaries. When arteries reach to the different body tissues, and veins also when reach the different body tissues, they divided into very fine thread-like structures. They divided into very fine thread-like structures and goes inside the tissues. And from there the blood will flow into the cells also, towards the in the whole body tissues and cells the blood will reach by the help of capillaries. And again the capillaries collect the blood from cells and tissue and give it to the veins, and veins carry the blood to the heart. So this is the different type of blood vessels and their functions, the way they perform their function. So I hope you are able to understand the different type of blood vessels and their function. So class, if you have any problem, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.